Hello friends, name of the experiment is comparative study of non-polluted and polluted water bodies. Aim to perform a comparative study of non-polluted and polluted water bodies in the surroundings. First of all, the locations of the study should be demarcated. The pond, lake, river nearer to the school must be chosen for the study. Also choose another water body located away from the city or town. There is a great chance of the water bodies being polluted which are nearer to the industries, factories or urban region. In comparison to such a water body, the one which is away from city or industrial area should be less polluted. Here we are comparing two beaches. One is away from the city and another beach which is in the city. Water body number 1 is Murud Janjira Revdanda beach which is away from the city. Water body number 2 is Dadar Chowpatty beach in Mumbai city. These two water bodies are selected for comparative study. Friends, you have to take precautions while studying water bodies. Precautions are like this. First, do not kill the live organisms present at the location. Second, take photographs of the location and note the observations. Third, dead shells can be picked up as they can indicate presence of such animals at the location. Here, the two samples each of water and soil from both beaches were collected on a single visit to each. Students, you have to visit 2 times to each reservoir and collect 2 samples of each of soil and water. Materials: appropriate sampling bottles to collect water samples, small bags or boxes to collect soil samples. On 18th March 2022, samples of water and soil were collected from water body number 1, Murud Janjira Revdanda beach. Photographs and video of Murud Janjira Revdanda beach are given here. Students, you have to note down the conditions near the selected water body. If possible, then take photographs or video of that place. Observations: water body number 1, Murud Janjira Revdanda beach. Waste not found near Murud Janjira Revdanda beach or in sea water. No tourists as our visiting time was in afternoon. Murud Janjira is a tourist place, hence on holidays it is crowded with tourists. Shops were not seen on the beach. They were along side of the road. On 25th March 2022, samples of water and soil were collected from water body number 2, Dadar Chowpatty, Mumbai beach. Photographs and video of water body 2, Dadar Chowpatty beach are given here. Students, you have to note down the conditions near the selected water body. If possible, then take photographs or video of that place. Observations: water body number 2, that is Dadar Chowpatty Mumbai beach. Tourists were seen at Dadar Chowpatty in the afternoon. Plastic and other waste was scattered around the soil and in the seawater. Shops, hawkers and horses were seen on the beach. Woman was seen bathing in the seawater. Soil sample number 1 and water sample number 1 were collected from water body number 1. Soil sample number 2 and water sample number 2 were collected from water body number 2. Let us test soil and water samples which were collected from water bodies. We require soil sample number 1, soil sample number 2, water sample number 1, water sample number 2. Universal indicator solution will be taken in the empty beaker. Universal indicator, pH scale, dropper, test tube stand. Pour universal indicator in the beaker. First, observe the soil samples. Structure of the soil sample number 1 is granular, yellowish sand which is collected from Murud Janjira Revdanda beach. Structure of the soil sample number 2 is granular, blackish sand which is collected from Dadar Chowpatty, Mumbai beach. Now, observe the water samples. The water sample which is collected from Murud Janjira Revdanda beach is clear, colorless and odorless. The water sample which is collected from Dadar Chowpatty, Mumbai beach is turbid and has bad smell. Now check the pH of water samples. Take 5 ml of water from water sample number 1 in the test tube. Add 3 to 4 drops of universal indicator in it. Shake the test tube well. Match the color of solution with the colors of pH scale. Note the pH value of matched color. pH value of this water is 8.5. Take 5 ml of water from water sample number 2 in test tube. Add 3 to 4 drops of universal indicator in it. Shake the test tube well. Match the color of the solution with the colors of pH scale. Note the pH value of matched color. pH value of this water is 7.5. Compare the color and pH value of the solutions of 2 test tubes. Some more chemical tests can be done. You can do it with your school teacher. Here, these tests are not taken. Sample tests and observations of beach surroundings are noted in table number 1, Murud Janjira Revdanda beach. Date of field study 18th March 2022. pH of water 8.5. Color of water colorless. Odor of water odorless. Soil structure granular yellowish sand. Plant species shrubs. Animal species conches and shells are seen. Samples, tests and observations of beach surroundings are noted in table number 2, Dadar Chowpatty, Mumbai beach. Date of field is 25th March 2022. pH of water 7.5. Color of water turbid. Odor bad smell. Soil structure granular blackish sand. Plant species no. Animal species conches and shells seen. The observations of the beach surroundings and tests of samples of these two water bodies are given in observation table number 3. Comparison between the two sites. In this table, parameters are given: color of water, order of water, pH of water, soil structure, observations about the site, plant species, animal species, any other relevant data are given in this table. Comparison. By comparing the observations of experiment, it can be said that there is water acidification at Dadar Chowpatty, Mumbai beach. Due to this, it was found that the pH value of seawater has decreased. This study proved that Dadar Chowpatty in Mumbai beach is more polluted. Inference. The non-polluted water shows different parameters in comparison to the polluted water.